Welcome to a quick and practical guide on managing your WhatsApp web on PC. If your chat list is buzzing with unread messages, here's a fast way to clear the slate with just a few taps. First, open WhatsApp web in your browser and connect your device. Make sure you're signed in so you can access all your conversations in real time. Once you're in, you'll notice a dedicated unread button right under the search bar. This button is your first stop for focusing on messages that need attention. Click it to filter down to only the chats with unread messages, giving you a clean starting point. Next, look toward the top of the page where the three vertical dots sit in the upper right area. These dots open a small menu with several options. Click on them to reveal the next step in clearing your unread chats. You'll find different tools here, but the one we want is labeled Mark All as Read. This option is designed to save you from tapping each chat individually, especially when you're juggling a lot of conversations at once. When you select Mark All as Read, WhatsApp web will quickly update and all these unread indicators will disappear. Your chat list will look calmer and you'll have a clearer overview of which conversations actually require your reply. This is especially handy during busy days or when you're catching up after a long break. A quick tip: if you're ever unsure whether you've marked everything correctly, you can reopen the unread filter to confirm there are no remaining unread chats. If any messages are still waiting, repeat the steps or click into the specific chat to catch up. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can reset your WhatsApp web unread count in seconds and stay organized without missing important messages.